சோறு வருது நீ வருது.
சத்தியமா
சத்தியமா
சத்தியம். Cheers. Yes, it's a party time in Punch Mithai. அப்படி என்னத்தை கிழிச்சிருக்கோம் பார்ட்டி வைக்கிறதுக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 25th வீடியோ வந்திருக்கோம். இட்ஸ் சில்வர் ஜூப்ளியில்.
ஆமாம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு அதனால ரோஸ் வாட்டருக்கு ரோஸ் ட்ரெஸ்ல 2 பேரும் பார்ட்டி பண்ண வந்திருக்கோம். ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு பார்ட்டி பண்ண போகிறது நாங்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷலான பீப்புள் எல்லாம் எங்களோட ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்க போகிறாங்க. ஸோ யார் யார் என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் இருக்குன்னு போய் பார்க்கலாம்.
உலகமே பார்த்து வேக்கிற அளவுக்கு
போய் பார்க்கலான்ட்டு. அப்படியா?
Raise your hands. Yes. That's okay. Okay, come on. Give a big round of applause for me. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for that reaction. Thank you. That's a great reaction. I really like that too. Okay, look at me. I want you to go and think of a random 2-digit number which comes to your mind. Random 2-digit number, but no 33, no 66, and no 99. Okay? No 33, no 66, and no 99. You got a 2-digit number in your mind? If you think that I influenced you in any way, you can change your mind. I'm just saying. You got one in your mind?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want, you can change your mind. Just give me a choice. You okay? Okay, I just want to give you a favor. I'll give you a sheet of paper. Yeah, okay, you can hear my voice, right? Okay, I'm going to give you a sheet of paper and a marker, right? The 2-digit number right here, little bigger in size. Okay. Right, then close it and give it to me. Do not show to them or do not show to me. Okay, just write the 2-digit number. Okay, let me go front. I don't want to look at your movement of your pen or something. Once you're done, please let me know done so I can turn. Today. You done?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just close it. Just come this side. Okay. Where are you from, ma'am?
Chennai.
Thank you so much for saying that. Okay, just do me a favor. Take the wallet like this and just look like this. Can you say something like this? Anything inside? No.
No.
Okay, just a wallet. I stole it in my material office in my ship. That's okay. No, that's not magic. That's called stealing. Okay, I love stealing. Anyway, don't do it. Okay, when I do it, that's entertainment. When you do it, that's a criminal. We don't do that. Okay, just look at me. I told you to think of a random 2-digit number which comes in your mind, but I told you no 33, no 66, and no 99. You didn't think of this. You gone with a random choice.
Yes.
I don't think so. No 33, no 66, and no 99. This is not 33. This is not 66, and this is not 99. How many fingers is this?
1.
How many this one?
1.
That's 11. For the first time, say it louder. What was the number you were thinking in your mind?
I was thinking 26.
Okay.
Then I changed to 11.
That's nice. See? Thank you so much. Give a big round of applause for it. I told you. Do you believe that? I'll get paid for that. Anyway, let me do this for you because you're the right spectator for it. So let me do this for you. Is it okay? Okay. Why don't you take a seat for a minute? Okay. Let me do this one for you.
Hey. என்னை வச்சு ஒன்றும் காமெடி பண்ணலையே.
இல்லை ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஓகேங்களா? ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நான் நீங்கள் உங்கள் மெயில் ஐடி ஏதாவது கொடுங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து கிஃப்ட் வவுச்சர் கேண்டி கிஃப்ட் சென்ட் பண்ணுறேன். ஓகேங்களா? You look like a baby face. Creating illusion like magic. Okay. I use the word psychological magic. The reason I'm using the word magic, it's not I'm using like a typical type of magic, but I'm using a psychology to create illusion like magic, as I told you before. Okay. So obviously you know what is this, right? Rubik's cubes. To solve this, you don't need to do a magic. If you know the algorithm of the cube, obviously you can do it, right? Okay, look at it. I'm going to solve the cube. As I told you before, I'm going to create an illusion like magic. Once I start shaking like this, in a minute you can see it's just look like it's just solving automatically. It's not actually, I'm just solving it, but it just look like that. If it happens like that, obviously... Thank you, sir. நான் கொடுத்த 100 ரூபாய்க்கு கரெக்டா வேலை செய்யறீங்க.
அடுத்த முறை என்ன பார்க்கும்போது இதை விட அதிகமா ஃபீல் பண்ணுவேன்.
Anyway, but it's good. Normally when I do this, right, people always think there's some special cube or something, right? I know people don't trust me, so that's what I bring a volunteer on stage. You can examine the cube and you can mix it. Don't break it, but just mix it, okay? Because that will happen for me a lot of time. Just mix it much as you want, okay? And once you're satisfied, just keep it with you. I'll be back with you in a minute, okay? While she's doing it, I'm going to do one more. actually to solve the cube, right? There's like 49 continuums to solve the cube, right? That's nothing to do with magic. As I told you, that's called mathematics. Yes, sir. Take that video, put it on YouTube. That's called marketing. I love marketing. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, as I told you before, right? Okay, to solve this one, let me do this one, right? I just take the cube like this. I'm just going to go like this. I didn't cheat yet. I'll cheat in a minute. Okay, when I mix like this, I just solve like this. Slaps like this. Oh, I didn't cheat yet. I will have to cheat it one more time. Okay. When I do this, actually the Rubik's cube solved.
You have one more Rubik's cube inside.
Thank you so much for messing up the trick now. Thank
What
you.
you expected, though?
I wish. Okay. Yeah, normally, but I can prove you. Definitely it's not there, man. See?
You're holding.
See?
No, you're holding it.
Sir?
Under the cover.
Okay, you don't trust me, sir.
No.
You okay?
பல வித்தையில கையில வச்சிருக்க பாரு.
Thank you. Have you done it?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the mixing? Or you want to mix one or two more times? You look like you don't trust me.
No, okay.
You really trust me?
Yes, I
Can I get your phone number? No, it's okay. Okay. Sorry, no, that's I told you. It's a joke, okay? Okay, so if I do that, right, my wife will make me disappear. I told you that's a different magic too, okay? If you don't mind, ma'am, thank you so much. Give a big round of applause for Gina Pondaswamy. So let me do this one. While I'm doing this, right, I just do this for a minute, okay? Just take it like in the back. I'm going to do something. If you're able to solve this, that will be amazing. As I told, I cannot do it, but I do it in a different way, okay? Just take this cube, go in the back like this. Let me do this one. I think I've got it a little bit. It's solved and now it's mixed. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You got the joke. Normally people don't get it, but you know it. Okay, so actually when you see this one, doesn't make any sense, right? She mixed it much as you want and you did it on your own thing, right? Okay, and if one of my side matches one of yours, that will be pretty good, right? Yes, that will be pretty good. So I think that matches too. No, that's good. No. If that one matches, what about the second one? The other side matches too. Not only second, that third one matches, and the 4, and the 5, and the 6. Thank you so much.